Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. In the previous videos, if you watch it, you will know what is completing square method. So the quadratic formula is nothing that it was derived from the completing square method. It is used, the quadratic formula is used to find the roots of the given quadratic equations. So how it was derived? Why the quadratic formula is x is equals to, that is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let us know now the derivation of the quadratic formula. It's nothing that derived from the completing square method, right? So here to know the derivation, we have to take the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is general form of quadratic equation, right? So already in completing square method, what we do is we see that the coefficient of x square should be 1. Similarly, here also we do the same. That is nothing that dividing each term with a, means divide each term with a. It means ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a equals to 0 by a. So what happened here? It is x square, because a get cancelled here, right? So it is nothing that x square plus x into b by a plus c by a equals to 0. Now what happened? You have to transfer this c by a towards a RHS, right? It means this is written as x square plus x into b by a equals to minus c by a. Now we have to see that the LHS should be in the form of like a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? But here what we have is a square. Imagine that this is a square plus 2 we don't have here. So what I do is I just multiply and divide with 2, the second term. That is a square plus 2 by 2. That is multiplying and dividing with 2. So it doesn't affect the equation now, equals to minus c by a. So here you can see that this can be written as a square plus 2ab. This 2 was multiplied with this is equal to minus c by a, right? Now you observe carefully, already it was formed like a square plus 2ab. b we knew that. With this observation we understood that b is nothing that b by 2a. So add b by 2a whole square on both sides. So what happened here is x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square equals to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. So this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So see that what it is like a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing that a plus b whole square, right? So it's very simple now. See there, a square means that is x plus b by 2a whole square. A square plus 2ab, b is nothing but b by 2a, so a plus b whole square equals to minus c by a plus b square by 4a square, this one, 4a square. Right now if you simplify more, that's nothing that so here what we do is like x plus b by 2a whole square equals to minus, if you just if you simplify this RHS, we get 4a square, that is 4a times, so minus 4ac plus b square, right? Right, so what we do is just transfer this square toward this side, that is towards the RHS. So what we get is x plus b by 2a equals to plus or minus under root minus 4ac plus b square by 4a square, right? So this is written as x plus b by 2a equals to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, because under root 4 is nothing but 2 and under root a square is nothing but a. So this just changed the order, that is b square minus 4ac. So with finally we can write it as x equals to that is what, transfer this b by 2a towards the RHS, so we get minus b by 2a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So finally we can write it as x equals to, as both the denominators are same, so let me write a common denominator, that is 2 by a, and minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. So this is the formula for finding the roots of the quadratic equation. It is nothing that which was derived from the completing square method, right? So this is a derivation, how to find the formula of quadratic quadratic formula to find the roots. Even this formula also used for finding the roots of the quadratic equation. I hope you all understood. For any queries, just give us a mail at askagamath@gmail.com. Thank you.